Hello everyone, welcome again to learn English sentences. So this video covers a few topics that you will face very often in your daily life. Okay, so let's talk about English conversation. Now here's a conversation between two people. Okay, so please subscribe us for more English learning videos. Okay, and please also give it a thumbs up if you like this conversation video. Okay, so let's get going. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. रोहन तुमसे गुस्सा है. रोहन is angry with you. रोहन is angry with you. मैं तुम पर गुस्से से पागल हूँ. I am mad at you. I am mad at you. तुम क्यों मुझ पर गुस्से से पागल हो? Why are you mad at me? Why are you mad at me? मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I'm getting angry. I am getting angry. राहुल को गुस्सा आ रहा है. राहुल is getting angry. राहुल is getting angry. क्या तुम्हें गुस्सा आ रहा है? Are you getting angry? Are you getting angry? आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting angry? Why are you getting angry? मैं तुम्हारी सूरत देखना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I do not want to see your face. I do not want to see your face. मेरे चेहरे के सामने से हट जाओ. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. लानत है तुम पर. Shame on you. Shame on you. तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. ये सब तुम्हारे कारण हुआ है. It is all because of you. It is all because of you. मैं तुमसे तंग हो चुका हूँ. I am irritated with you. I am irritated with you. भाड़ में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. अगर उसने तुम्हें थप्पड़ मारने पर भी तुम गुस्से से आग बबूला मत होना. Do not get furious if he slaps you. Do not get furious if he slaps you. उसे भड़काओ मत. Do not provoke him. Do not provoke him. तुम्हारे भड़काने से गोपाल गुस्सा हो गया. गोपाल was provoked by you. गोपाल was provoked by you. तुम समझते क्या हो अपने आप को? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद कर दो. Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. मेरा तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with him. Or you can say, I have nothing to do with her. Okay? तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I won't spare you. I won't spare you. मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगा. I will kill you. I will kill you. मैं तुम्हें थप्पड़ मार दूंगा. I will slap you. I will slap you. मैं तुम्हें सैंडल फेंक के मारूंगी. I will throw my sandal at you. I will throw my sandal at you. मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊंगा कि मैं कौन हूँ. I will show you who I am. I will show you who I am. तुम जानते नहीं हो मैं कौन हूँ. You have no idea who I am. You have no idea who I am. तुम जानते नहीं हो तुम किसके साथ पंगा ले रहे हो. You have no idea who are you messing with. Okay? You have no idea who are you messing with. तुम गलत आदमी से पंगा ले रहे हो. You are messing with the wrong guy. You are messing with the wrong guy. मुझे परवाह नहीं है कि तुम कौन हो. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. अपनी औकात में रहो. Be in your limit. Be in your limit. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. बकवास बंद करो. Stop nonsense. Stop nonsense. Or you can say stop talking nonsense. Okay? Stop talking nonsense. ये क्या बकवास है? What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? तुम क्या बकवास कह रहे हो? What nonsense are you talking? What nonsense are you talking? तुम जो करना चाहते हो करो. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Or you can say do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, that's all for today. So I'm sure you like this conversation video. So please subscribe us for more English learning conversation videos. Okay? We update daily new ultimate English learning video on this channel. So thanks for visit our channel, and thank you so much for watching, and stay happy. Bye bye.